Ikaty diamond hammer texture design, thickened integrated steel, VICOOK micropressure and constant temperature technology. 1. 5-layer steel is integrally molded, preventing bottom detachment. The thickened pot body and 5-layer steel turn up design prevent dripping at the pot rim, making cleaning convenient. 2. VICOOK micropressure and constant temperature technology ensures even heat conduction and maintains a constant temperature. It cooks soup 3 times faster than ordinary pots, and even a candle flame can keep it boiling. 3. Ikaty's diamond hammer texture design, resembling diamonds embedded throughout the pot, shimmers beautifully. Despite rigorous hammering, the inner wall remains as smooth as a mirror. 4. Imported 1810 stainless steel with a steel purity of 99.9%, free of any heavy metal excess. 5. The handle features a vacuum pump design, conforming to ergonomics, providing a comfortable grip without causing burns. 6. Tempered glass, resistant to high temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius and low temperatures down to -20 C. Made with tempered glass technology, it is scratch resistant and wear resistant, unlikely to react chemically with food ingredients, resistant to breaking and scratching, easy to clean, and resistant to residual flavors. The high-definition tempered glass allows a clear view of delicious ingredients cooking in the pot. 7. Dual purpose model, versatile, use one side for stir-frying, the other for soup making, allowing 2 flavors in one pot. 8. Dual purpose model, seamless S-angle partition with laser welding technology, ensuring no gaps, preventing leakage and flavor mixing over long-term use. It comes with a 10-year warranty and free replacement. 9. Main materials, 5-layer steel, including an inner layer of imported 1810 stainless steel, a steel core of aviation-grade high-conductivity aluminum, and an outer layer of 18 magnetically conducted steel.